but unbelievable.
I tell you, it was... He knows how to drive a train?
He swiped the manuals out of shipping years ago. He's been reading them ever since.
Oh, I was given this from a Mudokon escapee from Necrom Mines. He died looking for us.
Hey, that's terrible. What's that, a map?
Huh, I guess it is. And this came with it.
Whoa.
Creepy, right?
Yeah, creepy.
With his last breath, he said they're all dying.
Who's dying?
Our followers, they're all dying.
What do you mean, our followers?
I think he means since we fled the farm, rumors have been spreading throughout the factories. Mudokons have started escaping, and now they're trying to find us.
I told you that would happen. Anything else?
I found some sick Mudokons. They escaped from other factories, but they were dying. All of them were dying. With their help, I discovered an antidote. I made some medicine, and it fixed them. But I still don't know why they got sick.
Nothing else?
You said we needed to find the keeper.
What's the keeper? What's it doing?
Well, I don't know.
Whoa! Oh, look at that! Look where it's shining! Even though the train is bouncing around, the light stays right on Necrom.
The keeper?
I hope it ain't telling us.
The keeper is in Necrom.
Nobody wants to go to Necrom.
It's like barracks coming up. What are we gonna do?
I also found another guy. He left a note for me. Said we gotta know what's on this tape.
Is that an old bladed tape?
Not too old. They're still using that communication outposts.
Okay, looky here. Sling Barracks is the next stop on this line. It should have a communication outpost, shouldn't it?
Yep.
If we don't take out that comm tower, then every factory ahead of us, including Necrom Mines, they gotta know we're coming.
But first I gotta play this tape.
Yep, you gotta play that tape.